friends, today I am going to show you the first 10 levels of the MC Brain Family Adventure from Brain Test to the game. So level 1, welcome to the MC Brain Family house. Get to know them by matching their names. So the father is John, the mother is Jenny. So, just to drag their names. The boy is the Jack, the girl is the Nancy, and the baby is the Dory. And it is John. John must get ready for work. For this level, drag his pant and then iron his pant and then give it to him. Then drag his chai from the up and then it will be done. And it is done. So many choking hazards around. Watch out. Level 3. For this level, before he come, give all the cubes in the box. And it is done. 4. Time for breakfast. So first tap the door of the fridge. Then take the milk to Jack's bowl. Then take the cereal to his bowl. Now take the egg to the pan and give the egg to Nancy. And then give the milk to Dory. And it is done. Level 5. Nap time for Dory. Help her to sleep. For this, first drag the red cube and then drag the chair up, down, up, down, up, down. And it is done. Level 6. Help Nancy to do exercise with her mother. For this, first take the comb and then tap the hand that her mother is doing. And it is done. Help Nancy win against Jack. For this level, first drag this big red cube with your one hand and then drag the purple cube with your another hand. And it is done. Level 8. Jack took revenge of his defeat by messing up Nancy's dolls. So for this level, first drag the top of the box and then rotate the box and the green ribbon head doll will come out. Take this head to the green dress doll. Take the red ribbon doll to the red dress and blue ribbon doll to the blue dress. And it is done. Level 9. Someone broke the correct order in the family album. So, first, this photo will come. Second, this photo will come. Third, this photo will come. Fourth, this photo will come. And fifth, sixth are there. And it is done. Level 10. Jack played too much. He must stop. For this, drag the sofa upwards with your one hand and with your another hand tap the box. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my